And now to another top story. Across the valley, over 1,000 homes remain without power. At its peak last night, there were 30,000 families without electricity. This was the aftermath of a dangerous windstorm. NV Energy says customers will be restored throughout tonight and into tomorrow. But final repairs will be done on Friday. The county clearing approximately 50 trees and fixed traffic lights at 14 intersections that went dark yesterday. The weather made driving dangerous for many here in the valley, including new driver Kelly, who was out on the road when conditions took a scary turn. She says rocks hit her windshield, and now it's left a crack in multiple spots.
Like 5 minutes later, it happened again, but it was like way worse. There was rain, it was so windy, I couldn't see anything. I stopped the car and you can just hear rocks flying at the car.
Kelly and her family say that they never have seen a storm like this here before. And they're not alone. Yesterday's wind caused major damage across the valley.
And we're still seeing some activity out there right now at this 11 o'clock hour on Desert Doppler. Dry here in Las Vegas, but as we head up to our north and west here, we have some showers and some thunderstorms in the Sheet Range, Moapa Valley, and out towards the west here. Pahrump did see a severe thunderstorm earlier this evening. Right now we have some scattered showers down here by Searchlight and plenty of activity off to the east on the Arizona side. And these showers and thunderstorms will continue to trek northeastward, so certainly not done with this active weather just yet. 85 degrees right now, lots of clouds and feeling the humidity out there. Winds out of the northeast at 6 miles an hour. We'll drop down to the upper 70s tonight. Dry conditions, winds out of the southwest at 5 miles an hour. And we still have a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. I'll track it for you on Futurecast.
Thanks, Lynn. And the aftermath of the windstorm is causing a major cleanup in the valley. Our Abel Garcia visited Spring Valley for a look at the damage left behind and its impact on locals.
In the Spring Valley neighborhood, yesterday's windstorm hit hard. The owner of this home tells me that in the 26 years he's lived here, he never would have imagined this to happen to him. The cleanup of the aftermath from Tuesday's strong windstorm continues. Crews working nonstop, removing fallen trees and power poles and restoring electricity to thousands left in the dark.
I hear this pop, and I look, and one of my trees is laying on the ground.
What homeowner Tony Kretler is referring to is this. It caused some pretty significant damage. Damage to this roof right here. We also have damage to that car over there where those people are at. I mean, who would have expected something like this to happen?
No one. It was an act of nature, Mother Nature. You don't mess with Mother Nature.
This entire wall behind you was also knocked down as a result of this. Yes. Was it 1 or 2 or 3 trees that knocked over?
Two complete trees. One they estimated 60 foot and the other said probably about 50 foot.
So what makes these trees so vulnerable here in the valley? I turned to Edgar Larios, a certified tree safety professional. Why do you think it is that here in southern Nevada, it's so easy for these trees to be toppled over?
It is kind of like a combination of a couple of things, but the most important thing is the soil is pretty dry. When you get a little bit of wind, it hit the tree the right way, and it gets knocked over. Here on Jones Boulevard between Tropicana and Harmon, the road is still closed as a result of more than 10 power poles that were knocked over due to those strong winds that we saw yesterday. You can see several cars still trapped in the middle of those power lines and those power poles. You've never seen anything like this?
No, not in my neighborhood.
Reporting from Spring Valley, I'm Abel Garcia.